Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you all will be fine. Dear kids, in the previous video lecture, we talked about the early humans and we learned that early humans were the people who lived before us many thousands of years ago. Okay? Now, today, our topic is the invention of the wheel. Alright? Dear students, today we will learn how the wheel was invented. So, let's begin. Dear kids, during the earlier times, there were no vehicles. तो क्या होता था कि पुराने ज़माने में ना कोई भी गाड़ी नहीं हुआ करती थी. I mean, जैसे कि आजकल हम देख रहे हैं कि there are lots of vehicles available for us today. Different types of vehicles like buses are there, cars, scooties, bikes, trains, aeroplanes, etc. can be seen running on the roads. So, lots of vehicles can be seen today wherever we go. But तब क्या होता था कि तब ना ये सारी गाड़ियाँ जो भी हैं आजकल अवेलेबल नहीं थी because the wheel was not invented. As you all know that जितनी भी vehicles या जितने भी vehicles हैं उन सब में wheel या wheels का होना बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Because if there are no wheels, there will not be any possibility of moving any sort of vehicle from one place to another. Okay? So, wheel, which is basically the round object in any vehicle, is the most important thing in any vehicle. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, तो क्या होता था कि अर्ली ह्यूमंस जो थे दे यूज टू वॉक फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस. मतलब उनको जहाँ भी जाना होता था ना वो चल के जाते थे एज देयर वर नो व्हीकल्स अवेलेबल एट दैट टाइम. दे यूज इट टू कैरी लोड्स themselves or with the help of animals फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. तो मतलब अगर उनको कुछ भी ले जाना होता था, कोई लोड होता था, कोई चीज़ ले जानी होती थी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, तो वो क्या करते थे, वो खुद ही उठाते थे वो चीज़. या मतलब दे यूज टू टेक दैट थिंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एनिमल. ठीक है. What happened one day? They saw a log of wood rolling down a hill. ठीक है. जब उन्होंने ये देखा तो उनके दिमाग में ये बात आ गई कि द राउंड थिंग्स कैन बी इजीली रोल्ड ऑन द ग्राउंड. ठीक है. उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि दे स्टार्टेड मेकिंग सर्कुलर डिस्क्स आउट ऑफ द लॉग्स ऑफ वुड. देन दे प्लेस्ड कार्ड्स ओवर दो सर्कुलर डिस्क्स. ओके. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो सर्कुलर डिस्क. यू कैन जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट दिस. दीज आर द सर्कुलर डिस्क. दिस इज द लॉग ऑफ वुड एंड दीज आर द सर्कुलर डिस्कस. ओके. उसके बाद उन सर्कुलर डिस्कस में बहुत सी चेंजेस लाई गई एंड इन दिस वे द व्हील वाज इन्वेंटेड. ओके. So, my dear students, please have a look at the animated video clip that I have provided here for you just to make you understand this properly. Have a look at it.
How was the wheel invented? Hello students. Today is a special day. Today I will tell you the story of a great invention. Let us see. You must have seen a bus moving on the road, or must have seen your friends cycling on the road, or must have seen a car being driven on the road. Can you guess what is common in all of them? Yes, it is that round object called as wheel on which all these vehicles run. The bus has wheels, so does bicycle, and so does the car. It is a great invention of the wheel, due to which we are able to move much faster now than in the olden times. Now let me tell you the history of the invention of the wheel. The primitive men used to live in jungles. They used to kill animals for their food and used to carry them for long distances to their caves. One day it is believed that a caveman saw a log of wood rolling down. He got very interested as to how the log of wood was rolling. Another day, an animal was kept on the logs of wood, and slowly, as the log of wood moved, the animal was displaced from its position. This excited the caveman too. Very soon, the caveman took a log of wood and cut it from one side to form a round object, which finally came to be known as the wheel. Now slowly, wheels were used to take killed animals from the forest to caveman's home. And slowly, bullock carts and horse carts also came into existence. So this is how the wheel was invented.
So, my dear kids, you might have understood this now that how the wheel was invented. Okay? Dear students, one more point. The wheel is considered as one of the most important inventions of mankind because it led to the invention of many machines. Thank you so much.